Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Anthony here. We're down here in Hickory, North Carolina. We're here to do a restretch today, some carpet wrinkles. The whole upstairs is like a year old or maybe 2 years old, I think the client told me. And it just was poor installation. So we're here to get it all fixed up. And let me take you inside, I'll show you what we're up against. Got some mountains today, some big old bubbles. But we're here to get it all flat and take care of these needs. So stick around. All right, stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. Everything's totally flat. Look how good this looks. Look how bad it was out here. All in here was so bad. You can see it. I showed through this door like this. Totally flat. And then this room was pretty bad too. It's all flat. Alrighty, once again, as always, thanks for watching.